All right. So SS says, thanks, Bruce, and thanks to your family and for allowing you to spend time with us on a regular basis. Your knowledge and skills are greatly appreciated. Thanks, S. Appreciate that, man. Blackula, real Blackula says, ConvoCourses, is the AWS contracted with the U.S. government? I believe they did win some kind of giant U.S. government contract with Amazon, if I'm not mistaken. We can look it up real quick. It's publicly available information, by the way. So I'm not going to get in trouble by revealing anything, I don't think. AWS Government Cloud. Yeah. So I believe the government has a contract with Amazon. They have one with Google. I'm trying to think of any other organizations they have them with. But yeah, here you go right here. Check it out. You got FedRAMP, FISMA, Department of Defense. All these guys use AWS. So AWS is hot, man. AWS is hot. Now we know why. Look at that. DOD is huge, man. That's like Air Force, Army, Navy, Marines, you know. And then you got Department of Commerce. They have Department of Homeland Security. I'm sure they do. I'm sure. Because Department of Homeland Security is a big one. There's the NIST right there. These are large organizations. There's the IRS. Yeah, look at that. Criminal justice. So yeah. There you go. There's your answer. All right, let me see. I think there was another question. Somebody also said AWS has multiple cloud regions for the federal government. US Gov West, US Gov East, for example. Yep, JJ's on top of it. JJ, do you have AWS? I think you said at some point that you either had it or you were going for it. Yeah, AWS is hot. Like, I think it's a really good one. I know for sure Google has something with the government too, but I don't know a lot about it. AWS CCP, yeah, okay. Actually, the organization I work for is going to require me to get deeper into cloud stuff. I think I'm going to need to do the ISE2 cloud stuff. I think that's the one I'm going to do, unless they give me a choice, but it's very soon I'm going to have to do it. I'm planning on getting into compliance with cloud, so I plan on taking your ISO course. Yeah. Yep. So, and that's the thing, like, I don't imagine the cloud stuff's going to be that much different from everything I've learned. I mean, the principles of security pretty much stay the same. So I imagine it's going to be the same best practice type stuff that I've gone through. So yeah, I'm interested in getting into the cloud stuff. I'm pretty excited about it. I mean, it's a huge career move. So the organization's really pushing us to do cloud stuff. So we actually do assessments for different organizations, including cloud stuff. SS says, JJ, I've finished it last week. I highly recommend it. That's you guys are talking about the AWS CCP. Yeah, looking forward to it. That's for sure. Whoa, I got 20 people watching me.